Hello everybody, Colby and Vinny here with Whiskey with Friends, and today we're reviewing NULU from Prohibition Craft Spirits. I'm very excited about this product. It just showed up in Southwest Florida last month, January, so a lot of people saying a lot of good things about it in a local bourbon group, so I'm excited to try it. Say we got barrel 27 here, aged 4 years and 10 months, so let's crack this open, our first time trying it. Let's see what it's all about.
Let's do it. Right off the bat, it has a good color.
Very nice
color. It's a pretty high proof, so I would expect that it's going to be a little nippy up front. 118.8 proof on this barrel.
All right, let's see what the nose has for us.
It's nice.
Very sweet.
Yeah, very sweet.
A little oaky.
It's good. I mean, you can definitely smell the proof, but there's a sweetness to it. Not like a, not a sugar, almost like a...
Like molasses.
Yeah, caramel or something.
Tinges the nose hairs a tiny bit, but it's not intrusive at all.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, I do too.
One of the better noses we've done recently.
Yeah, definitely. So I gotta say, I don't know.
3.5?
3.5, yeah, I think that's respectable.
3.5.
It's nice.
All right, we're gonna go 3.5 on the nose.
Now
Let's try the palate.
Go for the palate.
You get a tingle right up front, but then it goes away really quickly.
Yeah. It's nice and sweet. Get a little oak on there.
Yeah.
Not too much, but
it's really
enough.
sweet. Yeah, it's really. It's not overly sweet, but it's really sweet. It's almost like a cookie dough.
Yeah,
or something.
it's crazy.
You get a bunch of vanilla with that sweetness.
Yeah.
And it tastes like a cookie.
I feel like this is a perfect nightcap whiskey.
Yeah.
This is delicious.
Very good.
I like it.
Yeah. It does not taste the proof.
No, it does not. It drinks very easy.
Ridiculously smooth for 118 proof. Oh, really good. Yeah, that's a hard 4, right?
Yeah, very hard 4.
Yeah. And actually, we'll roll right into the finish.
The finish is
even better. Yeah. It gets even better as it sits there.
Nice sweet finish.
Yeah.
Very smooth.
All of the ethanol burns off immediately, and you just get the oak and the vanilla and that sweetness.
Yeah.
And
it really doesn't drink like a barrel proof bourbon.
No,
not
really
at
good.
all. A lot of those barrel proof bourbons, you get it in the nose, you get it in the palate,
hot all the way through,
and then you get it in the finish, and then it just feels like you got that heat in your chest. But this is good.
Really good.
I think finish is 4.5.
4.5.
Strong 4.5. This is really good stuff.
Yeah. So this is an MGP bottle. MGP, their mash bills, you see them all over the place.
Yes, a lot of people use them. High West is very big, known to use
double
them.
rye, yeah.
The double rye, they do use this in a lot because they do a lot of blends, so they use their own stuff and they'll mix it with an MGP product.
Yeah, Whistle Pig.
Whistle Pig's another big
yeah,
one.
there's a bunch. So MGP does a lot of. They do a lot of White Dogs, and then the other distilleries will either mix them or adopt them or age them with their own method to give them a distinct flavor. So we've had some MGP stuff before, but this is a really good version. Knocked it out of the park, guys. Good job.
And one thing I like about them is they're right up front with it on the bottle. They tell you it's an MGP product. They don't try and sell you some story of their grandpappy made this in their basement back in the Civil War and they found this in a treasure chest in the middle of the woods. It's right on the bottle, and what they do with it is just
And they could have leaned into that because of the Prohibition
Craft Spirits.
Yeah, they did. And credit to you guys. Credit to you guys.
Definitely. This is top-notch stuff, especially for $55 a bottle retail.
Very
I don't think you'll find a barrel-proof bourbon in that ballpark. That's
much better than this.
Yeah. I mean, I'd put this up with probably 1792 foolproof.
I was just gonna
easily.
say, I think my favorite barrel proof going into this was 1792 barrel proof. This is really good. We're gonna have to do a verse video.
Yeah, I
We're gonna
think
have to put
so.
them side by side.
Yeah.
But okay, so we did 3.5 on the nose. You get a little bit more ethanol up front. We did 4 on the palate. Same thing. You get that first second of a little bit of a tingle, and then it immediately dissolves, and you get that sweetness, the oak, that borderline dessert sweetness to it. Finish is fantastic.
4.5 on the finish. A strong 4.5 on the finish.
Yeah. Which gives us a 4 overall. Definitely grab a bottle and give it a shot. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.